If you own a 2007 or 2008 F150, you know that sticky, worn-out shift knob is a daily annoyance. This replacement knob promises to bring that brand-new feel back to your truck's interior, but can a simple aftermarket part really nail the OEM quality? We're looking at the automatic transmission shift lever knob, designed specifically for the Ford F150 and the Lincoln Mark LT from those model years, identified by the crucial part, numbers 5L3Z7213V and 926-327. When you're dealing with a high-touch component like this, the tactile experience is everything. A cheap replacement feels flimsy, wobbly, and frankly, it ruins the whole driving experience. The claim here is that this unit is built with high standard and care, meeting industry quality control standards. And honestly, holding it in hand, that claim seems to hold up. The texture feels robust, not that cheap, shiny plastic that disintegrates after a year in the sun. For those specific 2007 and 2008 trucks, finding a perfect match that doesn't require modification is key, and the precise fitment for the F150 and the Mark LT is a huge relief. Installation is straightforward, as it should be for a one-quantity replacement knob. You're not looking for a complex mechanical overhaul, you just want the old, tired knob off and the new, crisp one on. What we're testing here is the consistency. Does it slide onto the lever shaft smoothly? Does the button mechanism engage cleanly without sticking or binding? In our experience, the engagement is solid. It clicks into park, reverse, and drive with the satisfying precision you expect from a factory component. This isn't just about aesthetics. It's about safety and reliable operation, especially when you're maneuvering a large truck. The fact that this replacement is engineered to match or exceed the original specifications means you are getting reliable and consistent performance, which is exactly what you need when replacing a part that sees constant use. If your current knob is cracked, faded, or just plain gross, this is a necessary small upgrade that makes a massive difference every time you get behind the wheel. It's a simple fix, but one that restores a little bit of that new truck feeling. For F150 and Mark LT owners in that specific 2007 to 2008 window, this shift knob is a perfect, high-quality replacement that delivers exactly what it promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.